Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're gonna do a quick POV drive. I have an awesome back road that I'm hoping will not be ruined by slow drivers. So cross your fingers, gang. I've actually done a couple of videos on this road. In fact, my Remus review, I did that on this road. I'm kind of still getting the feel of all the roads around here. And so far, this is one of my favorite ones. Now, without further ado, we're gonna have to put the car in race mode. Race mode, of course, opens the valves. We're gonna wait a second, cross our fingers, and hope we don't have anyone in front of us. And there's somebody, so let's go. Now, you guys are probably gonna be angry with me, and I'm gonna be completely up front and forward, and I'm still figuring out OBD11 for this car, and that obviously means I still have sound actor on. So I felt bad, right? I'm gonna make it up to you guys. I folded the seats down in the back, so there's a little bit more exhaust noise. So you're still gonna hear a little bit of sound actor, but I promise you, over that sound actor, the Remus is just louder. So you will actually hear more exhaust as opposed to sound actor. I just want you guys to know, so I'm not trying to trick you, because I know some people will identify the sound actor kind of in the background, but I promise you, a lot of this is exhaust. I will say, I will have future videos out of just pure sound, so you guys will be able to really hear it and without me talking, because I know sometimes when I chat, it ruins it. So I'll certainly have those types of videos out for you guys, just for some of you guys who don't want to hear me chat. I don't blame you. So, but I will talk to you about these valves. So these valves are awesome. They make a huge difference. So I'm currently in race mode right now. I'm going comfort mode. You really can't hear it. It's got a little bit of a note, but again, that's non-resonated for you. It is going through the muffler, but of course there's no resonator, so obviously it's going to be a little bit louder than stock. So we go back to race mode, the valves open, and it's a huge difference, as you guys can hear. You can't hide that sound at all. But yeah, no, this thing is absolutely awesome. It's an animal now with this exhaust, and with a downpipe, oh my god, I can't imagine. Oh, Remus, you have done a very good job with this exhaust. You really killed it. All right, here we go. This car is unbelievably fun to drive. But at the same time, the valves are open and it's not over the top loud. You can actually hear yourself think. I think the GoPro is doing an okay job at picking up the sound. Of course, no, you can never compare in person to on camera, no matter what kind of microphone you're running. You just really can't compare it. It's just that sound, which it's so unusually good. I mean, and what I mean by that is I'm coming from a GTI. The 6-speed DSG on the GTI just sounded so different from the 7-speed in the R. It sounds so good. It's better, in my opinion. Again, my opinion. But it sounds really good. Again, it's not over the top. Oh my god, this exhaust is just amazing. I think I could talk all day about how good it sounds, and I really don't have any complaints. So you guys are in the market for an exhaust, definitely be sure to reach out to Remus. I also will leave a link and actually the email to the sales rep for the vehicle section of Remus. Reach out to him, hit him up, and he'll give you some details on costs and everything, shipping. Their website is a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie, so I highly recommend you guys check out just read my description, my bio, or read the description of the video. You guys will see the email, and you can reach out to Michael. His name is Michael, and yeah, he'll definitely help you for sure. And the cool thing about the 7-speed is it's different. Every single time you shift, it's not consistently the same DSG fart. Oh my god, this is gonna blind me. Oh. And blind it did. something, if you really guys want to know, so now this mode is comfort suspension, comfort everything except for race drivetrain. Simply why I did that was because I want to get the DSG farts, because they actually don't, you don't get the DSG fart without having the drivetrain in race mode. That's a fun fact. However, my valves are closed, so this is what it sounds like with the valves closed if I floor it with the DSG fart. You can't hear it. You see what I mean? It's a huge difference. Well, I couldn't go all the way. It's a promise that shift gets a lot louder. Alright. Back in Durham. Almost there. But hopefully you guys are liking these POV drives. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. I am really on the fence about doing more car reviews. I really just want to focus kind of on the R, and I feel like, you know, if companies want to work with me, if I stay consistent to this car, it'll be better for me. But I do want to do car reviews. I just, you know, time will tell. Time will definitely tell. But, oh my God, I don't have, I just don't know what to say about this. It sounds so good. I guess I do know what to say. I'll talk about how much I love it. I mean, really, I love it. It's such a good sounding exhaust, and going around town, it's not bad. It's really not. Again, close the valves. You know, we'll take this short turn. We're gonna go through a neighborhood simply because I don't know if I really want to drive through my college town with a camera on my head. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys have 7.5 Rs or even 7 Rs, let me know what is your custom setting. What is your individual setting? Everyone kind of has their own. And actually, if you don't use that, what is your preferred mode? I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to say race mode, but I'm not going to lie, this comfort mode it's pretty key. It feels extremely nice just to, I don't know, not have to feel every single bump in the road. And you know, with 19-inch wheels, you're still going to feel that, but it's just a lot more subtle. It's very calming and chill. And now that the exhaust is closed, I don't know, it's just a lot more livable for sure. We'll roll down the window a little bit so you guys can kind of hear some. See, it's not bad. It's not really loud. And then of course, if you want to be loud, you can. It's just, oh my gosh. And this actually does have some cool little sputter crackles for you guys who don't like to, you know, go stage 2 and get the crackles. If you want to just do the catback, this can do it. You can kind of... I should not be driving that slow through a neighborhood. It raises questions. But it does it. And if you guys really want to hear some good notes from this car, I highly recommend the Remus. You know, other things to consider, Miltech makes a really good exhaust, but if you guys want to know it from me, you guys know how much I like my special loud exhausts, and I don't know, Remus really just takes the cake for me, and it's, in my opinion, I think it's the best. I really do. The OEM control and the OEM fit and finish is just all too good. I like the fact that I don't need to, you know, wire up the car and make it, you know, I like the fact that it has factory function. That's one of the best things about this. We'll do one little DSG blast. Can't go too fast in college town. Oh, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this exhaust? Of course, it's something, like I keep mentioning, it's something you really got to hear in person. But I do want to know your guys' opinion, because it sounds pretty darn good. And if you guys want to know what this exhaust sounds like in person, reach out to me. We can set up a little time, and I'll definitely let you guys ride in this car and experience what it sounds like, because I love meeting you guys. You guys are awesome, awesome people, and yeah. Oh, but I definitely just got eyeballed, but yeah, anyway. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Again, you guys are completely awesome. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more awesome Remus videos and more other videos. We actually have another modification on the way. It's another noisemaker, and without giving too much away, it is an APR product. So get ready for that, guys. It's going to the car, and yeah, we got some cool mods definitely on the way. So stay tuned for that, and without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.